Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. Thanks as well for joining me here. To all my soul family and soul tribes, I am really grateful and thankful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Two of Wands. We also have the Eight of Wands. This is the obstacles and influences in this reading. We have the King of Wands. This is the base of the situation. The Knight of Swords. This is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. We also have the Hermit. This is the distant future, around 12 months. And we have the Justice. This is the past experiences and influence in this reading. We have the Ten of Swords. This is your environment, either at home or in your workplace. And your immediate future, around 3 weeks, is the Five of Wands. Let me see your hopes and fears, the Chariot. We also have the Strength as the final outcome of this reading. And the outside influence is the King of Cups. At the bottom of the deck, which is to clarify the outcome of this reading, is the Ace of Swords. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it is not your energy, guys, just leave it. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. The President of the United States of America and the King of England are also Scorpios. That's why take only what fits in your story, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Two of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are making a choice. You are making this important choice to put the destiny in your own hands. Others of you, you are hatching all the ideas and all the possibilities. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aries. And this person never chose you in the past. And now this person is making a choice to move forward towards a new. Could be an Aries. Others of you, it could also be that this is your ex or a new person. Most of you guys, this is your energy. You realize to put your own destiny in your own hands. The world in your hands. It's because you are tired of the past. That there are lots of people who wants to control your own destiny. And now, this is the best time you are making a choice. An important choices in your life. To put your own destiny in your own hands. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that you realize that the grass isn't greener on the other side. Likewise, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aries was the one who have a realization. Maybe in the past, this person never chose you. And now this person realized that the grass are greener in your side, in your pasture. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Eight of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a trouble will happen in this scenario. Could be that you are going to travel alone, or you are going to travel with your family, or you are planning to travel maybe in the other place or in the other country to have a vacation and pleasure. Or it could also be that you are going to travel and to work in the other place or other country. It could also be that somebody wants to travel towards a new. And this person wants to have a vacation holiday with you and them. Could be a Sagittarius. Could also be other sign. Others of you, this is a leveling up. Maybe you are going to receive a promotion at work, and you are also having a higher salary. For some of you guys, you are going to receive this positive and quick communication through an email, through your WhatsApp, or through your messenger. It could also be to any kind of communication. You are going to receive this quick and clear communication, which is related to positivity. Could be that this person will send you an email, WhatsApp, or a messenger. Could be that this person wants to invite you to travel, to patch it up together with this relationship. If this is your ex, if this is a new person, this person wants to travel with you, to know you better, If you are a married Scorpio, you are going to travel or you are planning to travel with your family. To take a break, to have a vacation holiday. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the King of Wands. This is the base of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, an heiress, or you have an heiress in your birth chart. Double confirmation, because the Two of Wands is also an heiress energy. I feel like this is your energy. You are encouraging people to take an action with their dreams in order to make it a reality. For some of you guys, you are gorgeous, charming, you look magnetic and sensual. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It's because in tarot, there is no gender. You could be a king or queen of wands. You are taking care of yourself. You look good. You smell good. You feel good in your own skin. And for some of you, you are so magnetic and sensual. You inspire other people. You give hopes and inspiration as well. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are the dream of the public because of your aura. You are very confident. You are a go-getter. You don't need other people to validate you. It's because you knew your worth. You are also socializing, and you are also giving an inspiration to people to take an action with their dreams to make it real. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be that this person viewed you as a charming, magnetic, sensual, confident, and magnetic person. Could be an heiress. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Knight of Swords. This is your energy in the near future, 3 to 6 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But the Knight of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be an Aquarius. Or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Maybe you are attracting and or dealing an Aquarius. Not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to approach you. This person is an immature person, a reckless and impulsive person. This person wants to communicate you. This person could be wants to confront you. Others of you guys, this is your energy. You are taking an action to a certain things without a proof. For instance, maybe you heard gossips and rumors. You are advised her not to take an action, not to create argumentation to somebody else. It's because you are advised her to analyze and to think it over if this is the truth or this is only a lies or gossips. The universe advises you to be strategic, to be analytical before you take an action. Either this is your energy or the energy of the person you are dealing with, who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your destined energy around 12 months. This is the Hermit. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo. Every time when I read my card readings, this Hermit always come out. Maybe most of you are dealing with Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like this is your energy. You are in a solitude mood. You don't want to be bothered with the noise of the world. You want to be alone because you are tired and sick with the noise of the world. I feel like there are people in your life who are creating this noise. The reason why you choose to be in a solitude mood. You prefer to be alone than to be with the people who are disturbing your inner peace, who are creating drama and lies in your life. It could also be that you give this person a silent treatment. This person could be a Virgo. Others of you, it could also be that this person now is in the dark night of their soul. They are having a self-evaluation. Maybe they are also investigating about your life. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Justice. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like whatever you have undergone in the past, for instance, you have undergone injustice caused with the people who are jealous, envy, or intimidated with your aura and or your confidence. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. I don't know what is your story. This is like the cause and effect. It is like the law of karma. What goes around comes around. Of course, if you experience unjust in the past, the universe will give you here the truth, the clarity, and the honesty. And the justice is in your favor. But it depends on what you have done in the past. But I feel like for some of you, the justice here is in your favor. Especially when you are doing hard work in the past and people are doing unjust in your side. Or it could also be that if you have a problem related to inheritance, related to divorce, or any kind of problems which are related in the lawsuits, rest assured that the justice is in your favor. Others of you, it could also be that there are people in your life, involves Libra, who wants to ask forgiveness and to try once more with this relationship. I don't know what you have. And I feel like this is the time that you are going to reap what you have sown in the past. If you are very generous and kind in the past, I know Scorpio are very generous, kind, and compassionate. This is the time that you reap what you have sown. Yeah. You will give here justice with the truth, clarity, honesty, and a fair judgment. Could also be that you are dealing with either your family, in your workplace, the co-workers in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the energy in your environment, either at home or in the workplace. If you're treated unjust in your workplace, you are going to receive your justice here. And let me see your immediate future energy is the Ten of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. It could also be other sign, could be an air sign. I feel like you have gone through, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have suffered too much pain and painful scenario in the past, too much chaos, destruction, and trauma. I feel like this is from your family for some of you, others of you in your workplace. It could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Here, look. Lots of people in the past are backstabbing you. Lots of people dragging your name into the mud. People once or tried to destroy you. I don't know why. Maybe your aura or your spirits is the reason, because their demons intimidated your aura. Others of you, this is jealousy and envy. And this group of people did everything to destroy you. You look. For some of them, guys, they did black magic on you. They engaged you in a witchcraft voodoo. Others of you, they are wishing your death. For some of them, guys, they tried to manipulate you. They tried to control you. These are the people in your life. I don't know who are these people. Some of these people had nothing to do in your life. Maybe some of them, they are only your neighbors or your friends or your colleague at work. And they want or they tried to control your life because they couldn't stand your energy. These people are those people who are low self-esteem, no integrity, no morals, and no ethics. And this show you how you bring or handle your life. And this is the reason why they are intimidated with your aura or your energy. For some of these people, they have lots of money. They have more than you. But not because of money, career, or any other kind of resources. They just intimidated simple with your aura, with your confidence, and the way you bring your life. They couldn't stand your vibes, especially those people who are having a low vibes energy. And this is the reason they tried to destroy you in the past. And you managed to close the painful cycle in your life. This is tough cycle. For some of these people, you cut off the ties. you block in your social media and also in your mobiles. You don't want to have a connection with these people because you are very tired and sick. They will create pain and troubles in your mind and in your heart repeatedly, despite of your generosity, despite of your kindness and compassion to them. Others of these people, they treated your kindness as your weakness, and they viewed you as a stupid person. That's why they want to end up your life for some of these people because of jealousy and envy. Now you managed to close this painful cycle. It was a tough because you have gone through where people are backstabbing you, where people are involved you in a bullying, especially when this is in the workplace. People doesn't value your worth. They treated you as nothing at all. And that's the reason why you managed to close the top cycle. You don't want to engage with your energy to this group of people anymore. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your hopes and fears. It's the 5 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like these people, because these are group of people, 5 of Wands, includes or involves Leo, are jealous on you. They are competing and wants you to put in a drama and conflict because they viewed you as a competitors. You look, although you manage to close this painful cycle in your life, and here comes, they are not finished. You look, they're still competing on you. You've done. You already done, finish. But they're still competing on you. They still want you to engage in drama and conflict. But you are not competing on them. You cut off the ties. There's no competition here because you cut off the ties of this person or group of people. You already done, they are not done. It's because of jealousy and envy. Others of you guys, this is related to your work. Maybe you have lots of competition in your work. You have lots of rivalry. Yeah. And I feel like you learn how to defend yourself here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You don't want to fight. Maybe for some of you, you're still in this workplace, but you already learned how to defend yourself. You don't want to have conflict. Take only what fits in your story. Other of these people are competing in your attention because they have no access in your life. You cut off the ties. You end up this drama, conflict, betrayals, and illusion. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears. Maybe for some of you, this is related in your workplace. You have lots of competition. And people are still competing on you. But you have learned to defend yourself. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And we have here the final outcome. The hopes and fears. Really? Yeah. This one, the justice. Yeah. Sorry, guys. This is the Chariot. sorry guys, the Five of Wands is your immediate future. Around 3 weeks, you have lots of competition, yeah, or people engaging you in a competition, conflict, and or drama. It could also be that this is your energy. You have an internal struggle, and this is your hopes and fears. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Could also be other sign. There is a fast movements here. For some of you, you are going to relocate or to travel. Maybe you can also having a new car here, or somebody will give you a gift, and this is a new car. I don't know what is your story. You are heading towards your victory and success because you overcome your conflicts. You have an inner strength and inner will. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Cancer wants to travel towards a new. I don't know what is your story, but there is here a fast movements. Could be a relocation. Could also be a fast movements towards your victory. For some of you, you are going to travel and work, or you are going to travel to take a vacation holiday. But I feel like there is success. There is a fast movements of victory here. Either a relocation or travel. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, this is your hopes and fears. And we have here the final outcome of this reading as the Strength. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Double confirmation. Because the Five of Wands is embodied the energy of a Leo as well. I feel like this is your energy. You take back your power. You are sitting in your throne. You manage to close the painful cycle, the top cycle in your life, and you take back your power. You can tame the beast of other people, especially those people who are trying to manipulate you. Or it could also be that you tame your own beast. You have here an inner strength and an inner will. And you also overcome your fears and your self-doubts. You are a strong person, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. You have a strength. And for that reason, you can tame the ego and the pride of other people. Could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, and this person viewed you as a strong person because you managed to tame their beast. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be a group of people. And we have here the the King of Cups. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You have an emotional intelligence. You are the queen or the king of an emotions. It's because of what you have undergone in the past. Yeah. You managed to alchemize the painful scenario in the past, the Ten of Swords. And for that reason, you become an emotional intelligent. You matured emotionally. You are unshakable. You are the control of your own emotions. You are following your intuitions and the wisdom of your heart and your body. Others of you, you remain as a compassionate person. You remain a loving person, and you're also willing to support and uplift other people because you understand the life of other people. It's because of your experience. You become the king or queen of an emotions. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces. And this person viewed you as a king or queen of emotions, that you matured emotionally, that you can control your own emotion, that you are unshakable. Could also be that this person wants to support you, especially related to emotional matters. Could be a Pisces. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and we have here, to clarify the outcome of this reading, is the Ace of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or it could also be that you have an air sign in your birth chart. I feel like this is your breakthrough, your break free, and your aha moment. It's because you have here a mental clarity. You can concentrate any ideas that you want to work. It could also be that somebody here will give you a clarity. For some of you, this is a new signing of contract related to a new ideas, a new project, or a new perspective. Most of you, this is your aha moment, the breakthrough and your break free. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please. Why the Ten of Swords here? Tell me more about the Ten of Swords in this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see please for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Ten of Swords here? Tell me more about the Ten of Swords here please. The Ten of Swords is clarified as Schütze. This is a German language astro cards which stands for Sagittarius, the explorer. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. This is the clarification of the Ten of Swords. Could also be that this person give you too much burdens and pain in your heart in the past. Could also be a group of people, includes Sagittarius. Others of you, it could also be that this person wants to trouble you, wants to travel with you. Sorry guys for my English language. I'm on the way to speak Deutsch. Yeah. It could also be, look, because you have here the Ten of Wands. You have here the Ten of Wands. Could be that this person, sorry, the Eight of Wands. And could be that this person wants to travel with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to explore the world. It could be that this person is your ex. It could also be a new person. Yeah, look, the Eight of Wands. Yeah. The world explorer is the Sagittarius. Yeah. For some of you, it could also be that this person wants to patch up the relationship between you and them. Could be either a Gemini or a Sagittarius. Or it could also be that you have a Sagittarius or Gemini in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be a group of people, involves Gemini and Sagittarius. And we have here, why the Justice here? Tell me more about the Justice in this reading. Why the Justice in this reading, please? The Justice is clarified as the 7th house. The 7th house is a Libra. And this is exactly the Justice clarification. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. This is related to love and partnership. This person could be planning to reconcile with you. Yeah. I don't know what is your relationship with this person. Maybe this person is in your family. Could also be your ex. Because this is related to love and partnership. Yeah. And others of you, whatever this person did to you in the past, the Justice is in your favor. You will receive here a mental clarity, truth and honesty, because the universe give you the fair and clear judgment. If this is your partner and you are going to have a divorce, or you have unjust situationship, it's because of inheritance, could be for some of you. Rest assured that the Justice is in your favor, and this person wants to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And it's up to you, because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the 5 of Wands in this reading. Why the 5 of Wands here? Tell me more about the 5 of Wands here. The 5 of Wands is clarified as the 10th house. This is a Capricorn energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. Could also be that this person is competing on you. Could also be that this person wants you to involve in their drama, their conflict and competition. But you are not competing, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You managed to close the cycle. You are done with everything. With the lies, with the manipulation and competition. It could also be that you are learning how to defend yourself. Maybe this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn wants to create conflict or to put you in a drama. But you manage how to defend yourself, because maybe this person is jealous on you. Could be a Capricorn. The 10th house is a Capricorn. This is related to your career and your success. You look, career on Erfolg. This is a German language astro cards, which means career and success. Could be that this person is competing with your success and career. Could be that this person is jealous, and that's why this person wants to put you in competition, drama, and conflict. You are not competing. Remember that. You only want to defend yourself. This is related to your career and success. Lots of people are competing on you. Involves Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Hermit in this reading. Why the Hermit here? Tell me more about the Hermit in this reading. The Hermit is clarified as Twilling. This is the twins, Gemini. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Could also be other sign. And I think for some of you, you give this person a silent treatment. And now this person could be investigating about you, about your life. this person is also in the dark night of the soul. They are doing an introspection and they are investigating your life. Could be a Gemini or a Virgo. And this person could be having a double face. Yeah. You look. Could also be that this person wants to communicate with you. This person is a fake person. Yeah. And this person wants to communicate with you, which is either a Virgo or a Gemini. Because you give this person or people a silent treatment. And you also cut off the ties of this person or people in the past. Because these are the people who are backstabbing you. These are the people who tried to destroy you. Who are spreading and gossiping lies about you. Could be a Virgo or a Gemini. This person or people could be in your family, could also be your colleague at work in the past or at present, could also be in your friend circle, could also be in your neighboring area, your ex, or in the community. Now they want to communicate with you. But you must be very strategic. It's because you look, this person is fake. They have a double face. Yeah. Could be a Gemini or Virgo. Take only what fits in your story. Okay. And clarify me please. Why the Knight of Swords here? Tell me more about the Knight of Swords here. The Knight of Swords is clarified as Mars. Yeah, look, this is the clarification of the Knight of Swords. Could be that you are dealing with an heiress or you have an heiress in your birth chart. Double confirmation. Yeah. The King of Wands and the Two of Wands is embodied the energy of an heiress. And this is the clarification of the the Knight of Swords. Could be that this person viewed you, that you have power and drive. Could also be that you are dealing with, yeah, this is an heiress energy. And could be that this person wants to confront you. You look, this person is an impulsive, reckless person. Either an Aquarius or an Aries. Because this both person viewed you that you have power, drive, and action. That you can, that you have power, that you are strong. This person who embodied the energy of an Aries is also having a power, but they are using their power in a wrong way. You look, they are very immature person. They are reckless and impulsive. Either you are dealing here with either Aries or an Aquarius. And this is the clarification of the Knight of Swords. Both of this person wants to communicate with you impulsively. But you already cut off, I think, the ties of these people because you are closing the painful cycle in your life. And tell me more about the Chariot here. Why the Chariot in this reading, please? Why the Chariot here? The Chariot is clarified as the Cribs. Cribs is a German language which stands for the crab. This is the Cancer. For some of you guys, you are dealing with a Cancer. You have a Cancer in your birth chart. This person wants to travel towards a new. Could be your ex or a new person. This person could also wants to be the part of your success because this person feeling entitled with your success and victory. Could be in your family, could also be your ex, could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And if it is resonates to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share to enlarge our community. Thank you for joining me here. I love you all. Bye.